Welcome to another walk around video. Today we are looking at a crystal white pearl 2018 Forester 2.5 Limited equipped with Subaru's symmetrical full-time all-wheel drive and boxer engine that produces 170 horsepower. It has seating for 5 passengers and sits on 18-inch rim. On the inside of the door we have our power locks and window and mirror controls. For the seating we have black leather and a panoramic sunroof. On the left side of the steering wheel, we have Bluetooth and radio controls, and on the right, cruise control. Climate control is located under the radio, and heated seats down by the cup holders. In the rear, we have 60-40 split seats and heated outboard seats. In the hatch, under the storage, is the spare tire and tools. I hope you've enjoyed our review here at Subaru of Saskatoon.